Today I will be presenting a formal analysis of Guernica, a painting by artist Pablo Picasso. First, we will deconstruct the elements of design that are used within this piece. Within this piece, we can see that several lines are used. The lines used within this piece are a combination of curvilinear and classic lines with strong line quality. There are no implied lines, however, as that takes away from the contrast present in such artwork. The next element that we will discuss is shape. There is a combined use of organic and geometric shapes within this piece. However, much more organic shape is present. The organic shape includes the face is present, the head of the cow scene, and the eye, but the geometric shapes include the triangles. The color within this piece is very straightforward and sticks to a neutral palette with shades of black, white, and brown. Value is used within this piece with the elements being lighter to make the background appear darker. There is also higher saturation among this painting to intensify its meaning and use of contrast. Texture is not used very much, however, within these pieces, as many of these shapes include a smooth texture. Next, we will deconstruct the principles of design used within this piece. There is lots of variety within this piece, such as the different shapes and tones that are used. Emphasis is also heavily used throughout this piece, with certain images being larger than others, to show a greater value of importance of specific images over others. This also shows his use of scale to show emphasis. Directional forces are not used much within this piece, and that is because Picasso does not want to put focus on one central figure, but instead on the entire painting as a whole. Picasso does this with his use of contrast, repetition, and balance. The use of contrast is presented with the difference of organic and geometric shapes, along with the dark background and lighter images on top. Repetition is seen through the many triangles that are present in this piece and the similar heads that are scattered throughout the painting. The use of balance is seen with approximate symmetry, as there is similar weight on both halves of the paintings, even though there are differing shapes. This makes the artwork much more visually appealing and dynamic, which are crucial aspects of the formal analysis. Each part of this piece enhances another part, and it is impossible to change any element without ruining the purpose of this painting. However, this painting lacks a sense of unity that formal analysis prefers. This piece, I feel, is a flop in the perspective of formal analysis, as it does not focus on organization and technical execution. Instead, this piece focuses on the tragedy of the Spanish Civil War. Since formal analysis feels that art should be made for art's sake, this piece would not be favored, no matter its genius.